Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic will be on review questions of chapter number 1, chapter number 6, and kindly like, subscribe if you like it, or if something is missing, you can comment me or email me. So feel free to ask me. So let's start with the question number 1. Question 1, part A. It's express 36 as the product of its prime factors. So we have given 36 and we have to write 36 as the product of a prime factors. So the definition of the first of all you have to know what the factors is. So the factor is a number which will divide 36 completely. So let us start. 36 will be divided by 2. So we will get 1. 2 divided by 36 you will get 18. So 2 divided by 18 you will get 9. uh, I'm going doing fastly because you know it, no? So 3 divided by 9 you will get 3. So 3 divided by 3 you will get 1. So 36 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. It can be the product of a 2, product of a 2, product of a 2, and the product of a 3 and a 3. So now you can see 36 is 2 power 2 and 3 power 2. So as we know, 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So 36 is written in the the product of a prime factors. So it's a product. No? So let's go towards the question number 1, part B. So let's do it. So we have a part B. Find the highest common factor HCF of 36 and 120. So the simple is the question 1 we have to find the highest common factor. Na? It's like a HCF. First of all, you should know what the factor is. Na? So the factor is the number which can divide the number. Na? 36 will be divided by 2 or some other number. 12 it can be divided by. Na? So now if we have a more than 2 or 2 numbers, we want the common factor. Na? So common factor of the both. So then you should know the definition of the common factor, what the common factor represent. Na? Then in the last you will get the highest common factor, the number which is the common factor but which is the highest number. So the highest common factor is, let's see, we can do it like this. So as you can see, 36 can be written we can write it like 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. and 120 can be written uh, is like a 2 into 2 into 2 and into 3 and 5. So now the common number which are you can choose, no? So here 2 and a 2 and a 3, and here also 2 and 3. So these are the common numbers. It's so when we multiply 2 with 2 and 3, so we will get how much? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, you will get 12. So this is the number 12 which can divide both number, no? So it's the highest common factor. uh, it means the greatest number we have got, which divide both these 36 and 120. So it's 12. So might be someone thinking how I got these numbers now. It's like simply 36 divided by 2, you will get 18. 2, you will get 9. Then divided by 3 will divide by 9, you will get 3, and 3 divided by 3, you will get 1. And 120, it's like this. It's 2, you will get 60. 2 divided by 60, you will get 30. And 30 divided by 2, you will get how much? It will be 15. And 15 divided by 3, you will get 5. And 5 divided by 5, you will get 1. So simply when you product these numbers, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 4, you will get 120. And 36 is similar. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, you will get 36. So that was question number 1. It was the review question. Simply it's also it might be a question number of a past paper, but I will send the Google Drive link. You can see from that uh, it is the past paper question or a review question just. So you have to find it by yourself. So question number 1, and it's part C. Find find the lowest common multiple. LCM of 36 and 120. So while you are solving this question now, you have to remember what the multiple is. So if let's suppose we have a 2, so and a 3 and a 6. So 6 is a multiple of a 2. It's because 2 into 3, you will get 6. So it's the definition of a multiple, no? So when I say let's choose the 3, the second number. So it was the first and the second. So the multiple of a 3 is a 6. So you can write 3 into 2. You will get the 6. Similarly, while when you multiply 2 into 3, you will get 6. So we want the a number. The 3 will be multiplied with some number. You will some integer. You will get some number. So the number we will get, it's a multiple, no? So it should be a integer. But I think that there should be a positive integer, or so there should be a number. We will multiply this number with that number, and you will get some number. So it is a multiple of a 3. So you can realize the multiple of a 2 and a 3 is a 6. Simple. So now we want it's a common multiple, no? But it should be the lowest common multiple, no? Least, you can also say the least also. So it's the 6 is the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. So now the question is, we have to find the lowest common multiple of 36 and 120. So what it is saying, when we multiply 36 or 120, and we will get the number, uh, th- that number will come in both numbers, the multiple. So it will become the uh, least lowest multiple, no? So let's solve it, no? It might confuse you, no? So I'm not confused, I don't want to confuse you. Let's do it, no? So 36, you can divide it with 2, and you will get 18, and and you will get 9, and 9 divided by 3, you will get 3. Similarly, 3 divided by 3, you will get 1. So 36 can be written as like this: 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So now 120 will also can be written similarly. It's like this: 2 into 2 and into 2 into 3 into 5. So uh, the idea is, okay, if we want to find the LCM of 36 and 120, so the idea is the LCM of 36 and 120, you will first of all you have to pick the common numbers, the common prime numbers which are appearing in both, no? So 2 2 and 3, and also 3. So it's like a 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So these are the common numbers, no? So next the number, these three numbers are appearing in both. So now the number which appears only 36, it's 3. So you can write 3. So I'm just the tick. So now next, the number which appears into 120 are 2 and 5. You will get 2 into 5. So in last, when you multiply these numbers, it's like 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9 9, 2 into 5 it's 10. You will get like this: 90 90 into 4, you will get 360. So in last, the answer we got is this, no? LCM of 36 and 120 is 360. So you can realize it here, no? This number 36 also divide 360. How? When you see 360, it can be written like this is the product of 360, no? So these numbers 36, when we distribute 36 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, when we distribute these numbers, so these numbers will be when we divide these numbers with this, we can cancel 2 with 2 and 2 with 2 and 3 with 3 and 3 with 3. Similarly, 120 is also the same. So we can cancel 120 with 2 2 2. So it's like 2 2 2. And similarly, 3 and 5, we will get 3 and 5 will be cancelled. So 36 also divide the 360, and 120 also divides 360. So it's the lowest. But you can also think like it's 360. When we multiply with 2, we will get something like 720, I think so. Let me do it. Let me do the maths. 2, so we get 1. So 720. 720 is also the multiple of 120 and 36, but it's not the lowest. So that's why we are not choosing this, no? Now the technique I have given you is It's like a finding the lowest common multiple.